Welcome back to Planter Garden TV, or welcome to Planter Garden TV. Guys, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't hit the like button, please hit a like, share the video if you can, because you're getting the latest update at Planter Garden TV. Today I'm going to give you an update about the banana so far. So far I've seen the banana plant have on at least 6 hands of banana so far. Then when we look there, we realize there's a next one open right there, and we also see there's a next one open there, and there's gonna be one opening right there. So that's gonna make it 9 hands of banana. And we see that the right to the bottom there, we see that it's still big and bulky. So it seems like we might get at least another 3 to 4 opening, which might carry to 6 and 3 is 9, maybe more than, maybe about 12 hands. Let's see, guys, we're not sure. But this is the update on my banana. Doing really well. Everything is falling so nice, and it keep producing. This is zone 8, guys. This is zone 8, and I did a video showing you guys how I prepare my banana and how I get it to fruit. It's very important, guys. If you're in zone 8, you can grow banana and you can able to get them to fruit. The good thing about it is this one start producing in April, so we stand a chance of getting able to get banana from this plant. Alright, so hopefully next year this one gonna produce, hopefully next year. But I have to overwinter it. So far, guys, it's doing wonderful. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.